this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and this is There's a Card Thursday. I hope you really enjoy this video and cards, and if you'd like to purchase any of the products seen, you can go to my website at marytroutner.stampinup.net and click on Shop Now. So now I just wanted to show you, how to make a couple of quick cards using the Party Panda. So I'm just using note cards, and I've got a couple of the Party Pandas out. I'm going to use the black, Archival black, and I'm going to use some real red. I'm just getting this out. And quick, easy, fast card. Let's do another one. Do a little bit different one. Where's my here? Here, and we're going to take out the happy birthday, and we're going to use that as a black also. Then I am going to show you something else. I'm going to take the high out of there. Going to put that there. Take that off. And let's just use the real red. And I'm going to put that. So there's two quick, fast note cards that you can use. You can put the happy birthday. I just love those pandas, don't you?